Hello Tigers. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy at home. So we've been getting a lot of videos back of everybody doing their workouts from home. Seen a few videos of tigers showing their parents how to do ukemi. Some of the parents may have noticed your bodies are slightly different than the ones of your 6, 7, 8-year-old tigers. If you want to work on your front roll, step number 1, get really low to the ground. Okay, basic setup exercise. Start on all fours. Turn one hand over. Reach for your back knee. Get low, get low, get low. Get your shoulder right down to the floor. Okay, this knee's going to come up a little bit. And reach, reach, reach. Try and get the shoulder as close to the floor as you can. Leg's going to come up to here. And then bring the hips over. Okay, other side. Shoulder down. Let the knee come up. This hand will come over. The other knee come up. And nice and slow. Come down. Okay. Step 1 for doing your forward roll from home, especially if you don't have the luxury of mats, if you're working off of a hardwood floor, laminate floor. One more time. Back, shoulder down. Hey, let me know how it goes. Any questions? Anything you'd like to see demonstrated in these videos for your home workouts? Shoot me an email.